Guys, don't forget to laugh every day. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Mary's doing her mitts and is gonna fold some laundry.
Look what Peter made for lunch.
I used that chicken that was really spicy. I washed it off a little bit, and
Did you?
and then I chopped it up, did it in a pan, got it warm, put some mayonnaise on it, throw it on a sandwich
With arugula?
with a googla. So good.
Good?
Mmm.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
You're a little funny twisty bones. Silly, silly boy.
Alright guys, so we got our magnets that we showed you on the vlog yesterday, and we're pretty excited about them. So I guess we showed you a couple days ago. So they're available in the online store for free this week with any purchase, and we just want to show you how good they look on a car. So I'm gonna put them all on our car. Alright, the deed has been done. Our car is decked out with Fry Life merch. Look at all these magnets. Alright guys, we're getting ready to film a special video. It's featuring Ollie Boy, and it'll be published in a couple of days, so you'll have to wait, but it's gonna be a good one.
Here's what it looks like to work with an acting dog. You ready for the next shot? Are you ready for the next shot? What do you think we should do for this one? Do you want to try one of these specials? Oh, you do? Give me a kiss. Ollie, give me a kiss. Mwah, I love you.
Good. We were just filming out here in the cold air. Getting to our lungs.
Ollie, you ready to go in the house? I want to go in the house. Run. You need to go better hurry. Do you need to go better hurry? Let's go. Peter, you want to tell us why you're making a puzzle out of an apple?
Well, I just sliced an apple and put it back together because we have a special trick shot in this video we're making.
All right, let's do it. We are having a family celebration, which includes Oliver receiving an apple in the yard as a retreat. I mean, a treat. Ollie, you gonna go get your special ball? It's an apple. Go get it, Ollie! Hopefully that doesn't hit him in the head. Get your ball!
Good boy!
Good boy!
Yes! Good boy! Get it? Bring it.
Does that feel funny in your teeth? Woo! Peter looked over. I think that's a wrap, right, babe?
That's a wrap.
Now what are you doing?
Making some dinner.
Thank you.
I just threw all of our leftovers into, or not all of them, but I threw carrots, potatoes, and
Chicken.
chicken in a pan.
Nice. That works.
Yep. Yoli boy. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Hey. Just sleeping? I didn't like that, man. You're just so adorable. The cutest dog in the world. Am I allowed to say that? We like you a lot, buddy.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
We're
Excuse me.
peanut butter cake.
Yeah, Mary was craving another late night snack, and so instead of brownie in a mug, we made peanut butter cake in a mug. It was pretty good.
It was okay. I mean, you did an awesome job.
Yeah, it was.
If we made the recipe again, probably more sugar.
Mm.
And less peanut chunks.
Yeah, we only had chunky peanut butter. Just doesn't go so well in cake. But it was easy.
Thank you.
It was like 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and
Vanilla?
sugar. No.
Oh.
I forget how much sugar. But, yeah. I think it was like 3 teaspoons or something. But, anyways. I guess maybe if you had sweeter peanut butter, it'd be better. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up now.
What's sweeter peanut butter?
I don't know. Some peanut butter's sweeter than other peanut butters.
We should tell everybody who has packages coming.
Okay.
Do you want us to sing your names for the vlog? Do you want us
To sing your names for the vlog.
Oh.
Hey, 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 hey. So, yeah, thank you guys for your orders. We've had quite a few today and yesterday. And
Do you want to update them on how many 10,000 subscriber bundles there are left?
we could look on here. Let's update them. Okay, looks like we have 19 backpack subscriber bundles left. So if you want to order a backpack bundle, you can still do that on the online store. And if you want to get the magnet for free, be sure to add it to your cart before you check out. Because
you can't, yeah.
So you got to add it to your cart for the discount to take the price of the magnet off. So you can order those. You can order prints. Thank you guys who have placed orders. We're working on packing them up and we'll get them out. I'm going to read these names.
Do you want to read every other one? We'll sing. Yep. You sing, I sing.
All right.
Colleen, Tavi, Elena, Gabrielle, Levi, Tammy, Anna, Candina, Alyssa, McKenna, Megan, Monica, Kelly, Christy, Brooke, Ashley, Claire, Tasha, Jessica, Emily, Jamie, Lindsay, and Deanne.
Wow.
I messed that up a little.
No, that's all right. We
Sorry.
were just...
That's who's ordered. Thank you.
Yep. So you guys have packages coming. And Ollie boy's getting a drink of water.
Oh, good. Is he going to eat his dinner? I think he's
buddy.
half asleep.
Yeah.
His ear.
Look at that.
Ollie.
You got bed ear. Oh, you gonna sniff your food?
Ollie, you have dinner over there. Wanna go get, what are you going to do? You going to get your ball?
Get it. Get your ball.
You going to get it? Are you going to get your ball? Where's your ball? Are you asleep?
He's half asleep. What is it?
Get it. Let's see what he chooses. And he chose the antler.
The antler.
Look how he's laying. That is funny. Here, let me see it. That is hilarious. Oh, Bonesy. He must be asleep, because that is looking really funny. He does not usually lay like that. And down it goes. Well, I'm going to go to bed. I don't feel great.
Yeah.
My lungs are just... I was telling Peter today, remember like 2.5 weeks ago, I was like, you know what? I'm not coughing a ton during the day. Like, I'm coughing a ton when I wake up, and then a few hours go by, and I don't have a ton of those, like, big coughing fits. I can't say that is true any longer.
Yeah.
I'm just like, I'm coughing more.
I can just show you how quick infection can progress and things can change. So we're going into clinic on Monday, and check in with her doctor and...
The last time we talked to him, which was a little more than a month ago, we were like, all right, I'm doing good, as well as I can be. And we said, I kind of brought up, the IVs did nothing for my lung function. Maybe the color of my mucus changed slightly, but really there was so little improvement from the IVs. And I was like, what would we think about if next time I need IVs, if I don't do the IVs and kind of see what my body does? And this is like a decision that we're making, not like, oh, I don't want to go in, I don't want to get IVs. It's something that we've talked about with my doctor, and we will talk about again on Monday and see if that is an okay plan to try. It's like, oh, the next time I need treatment, let's not do it. Sounds very odd, but I don't know. I just kind of want to see what my body can do by itself. Like, can I, do a ton more PT? And I told you guys yesterday I did my vest 3 times. So maybe if I, up my airway clearance as my lungs are getting more infected, but, that kind of hurts my head. Anyway, we'll see what we do. I don't know.
Yeah.
There's no great answers. There's no perfect magical pill to make the infection go away. The antibiotics, when you test my bacteria against the antibiotics in the laboratory, my bacteria or bacterias are what's called pan-resistant. It means resistant to all bacteria. That doesn't mean...
All antibiotics.
Thank you, antibiotics, that. It doesn't mean that we never use antibiotics. We still use them, but you have to be creative with them and pair them with other antibiotics to try to help them help me. So, I don't know. There's no great answer, but for tonight, the answer is sleep, and tomorrow the answer is rest. So, yeah, I'm just gonna try to, as we always do, kind of listen to my body and do what it needs. And again, I am so thankful I got to go on the trip last week. I'm just grateful that we were able to, catch my health in between hospital stays. I think
was really good.
I think technically, last year at this time, or whatever, if my health and my lungs and my mucus was as it is now, I would probably be, calling them and saying, I probably need to be admitted.
Yeah, I'd say you're getting there.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, it's all a cycle, and it's not... clear, this is when you need treatment or anything. So, we just take it one day at a time, and for today, we're gonna say, we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, say hello to Edinburgh weather. It is raining and dreary.